wait, then we're gonna sure, every minute we're not far. Anyways, hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl, the chocolate. Yeah, so today is Jamaica Day, and the sixth form students decide to do their hair in an afro in celebration of Jamaica's heritage and our 4C here, and to uplift and one other big word of our blackness. So we'll be wearing afros today. So basically I'm going to be rating the girls them afro from 1 to 10. My afro I really want 10. My afro I really want 8 because it has shrink. Yes, anyways, the rain is falling on it. So I'm gonna rate them afro. I'm gonna ask them some questions about Jamaica's history. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Give me a 360. Wait. Jesus. Watch me, secretary. No, sir. If you're not with me, I don't know who's going to win. Yeah, girl. Biggest support song. So, guys, we have things on display. Hello, miss. Hello. Good evening. Can I video you?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so she's displaying these things.
Yes, Makhalia.
So today I chose something different. I chose jerk chicken and festival. I wonder if it's good though. Yesterday the lady messed up my order, but I'm going to be trying jerk chicken today, guys. I hope it's good though. At this I get from a $450.
Tapping at me, what $50 for that?
Okay, guys, these are some things that they put up. Famous Jamaican actors, famous Jamaican poets, and then we have the big Oberlin High 25th anniversary Black History Month, Reggae Month. Also, we have some more Black Girl Magic. Wellness, Jamaican herbs and their uses, Jamaican herb and their uses, Jamaican herb and their uses. They will have black inventors. Let me see your design. They made those, guys. Let me see a design, girl.
I mind this.
So the children are making them by themselves. Come, let me see. Can I report it to someone? I think I saw YouTube TikTok channel.
Johnny.
So guys, it's my time to make my waist bead. I said a waist bead. It's my time to make my waist bead now. So let's go.